Alright, real quick here. Switches. Sorry, it's so dark. They go up and down. And this, the auto everything works on the driver's side door there. The passenger window here rolls up and down. The back window here, I don't know if you can see it, rolls down and up. This window rolls down. This is the only one. It has kind of a pain to roll back up. Usually, if I do roll that down, I would just roll it up with the switch on it. All the switches work on them, on the doors themselves. You probably can't see that now even. But there you go.